What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2024 Cadillac XT4. It's got a turbo 4-cylinder, and it has the new big screen that Cadillac is implementing in a lot of its cars. Started with the Escalade, the new CT5V. I mean, CT5 in general is going to have it, and the CT5V Blackwing, which I'm excited to see. I like this big screen, looks kind of cool. One thing I just noticed getting the car a couple of minutes ago, it's kind of hot today, and I turned on the AC on max setting, and it's pretty weak. Not sure what's going on there, but I was in another Cadillac the other day and did the same thing. The AC was not that great. Don't know if that's a common thing though. You have some different drive modes in here. Let's try Tour. I was on Sport. The acceleration, everything is not too bad. It's not great, but it's more than enough for daily driving. This car, I believe its MSRPs are like $48,000 or something like that. The XT4 wasn't in need of an update, that's for sure. And one thing about Cadillacs, the turn signal stock feels really cheap because it's borrowed from Chevy products. Like I was in a Blackwing the other day, the turn signal stock was trash. And I know it's part sharing and everything, but it does kind of suck when the turn signal stock is so flimsy, because it's something that you're going to be using all the time. And even the wiper stock, straight out of a Chevy product. camera. And then you can have Google Maps, which is really, really cool. I love that. Right in your line of sight. I love that feature. Very nice. And you have a clean gauge cluster view as well. Won't always show much. And then you can see your trip computer and everything on that side. Now let's take a quick look at the exterior of this vehicle. Got like this cool metal trim inside. Got that new front fascia. Looks nice. Comes with Continental Pro Contact tires. Got a cargo cover. Spare. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. I'll catch you on the next one, and please consider subscribing if you enjoyed.